Hey everybody, how's it going? This is a quick video showing you how to fix this problem. These stupid new gas nozzles. I mean, you gotta pull this back and unlock it, and you gotta try to turn it, and you gotta, you're doing all this trying to, okay, finally I got it open, and now I can pour some gas, right? And yes, you just end up getting it all over yourself. Really, this is the stupidest thing ever. So I've got a solution. Okay, so the solution is this easy pour replacement spout and vent kit. Basically, it's gonna have a spout like you're used to. You don't have to undo anything or turn anything or unlock anything. And then it's gonna have a vent hole in the back. You remember the old gas cans used to have a vent hole? It'll totally pour way faster and better. And then it's got a cap for the spout. Okay, all you have to do is take this out, and the first thing that I'm gonna do is install the vent hole. And you see the fill line is gonna be somewhere around here. So you wanna have it kind of towards the top. This is a 1/2 inch fitting. I'm gonna start with a 1/4 inch bit, make sure it's empty, no gasoline in there. And, all right, drill it out, and then work your way up. I'm going to a 3/8 inch bit at this point. Okay. And then finally, the 1/2 inch bit. Okay, now you want to make sure none of those little things in there, so maybe fill it with some water and get those out. I'll be right back in a minute. Now you've got your 1/2 inch hole, and all you're going to do is put this plug end in there, and it's going to be a tight fit. No doubt about that. You might need a rubber mallet. Okay, we don't need no rubber mallet. You see how that's a vent cap? You can cap it. And now, for this end, let's see if any of these fittings work. Okay, so let's try this one. And the threads seem to be working on that one. And when you're done, this cap screws on. There we go. Now, I know what you're thinking. Well, I'll probably lose this little cap. So you take this little doohickey string that comes with it, and you put the arrowhead through this hole. And you might need a pair of pliers for this, but we don't need pliers. And then bring it around here, tighten it up, okay? And then stick the little arrowhead through one of these. And now, when you unscrew the cap, you won't lose the cap. Here we have our really easily and quickly modified gas can. You open up the back vent, you take the cap off, and you can turn this little nozzle. It's flexible. You can go ahead and pour very easily. Look at how well that's flowing. And then when you're done, you're just gonna put the cap on and close the vent. There you have it. For less than $10 and less than 10 minutes of your time, you can modify your gas can so that you're not spilling it all over the place and trying to finagle those stupid, complicated new nozzles. So I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any questions.